Well, hey, we're right here at the East Rockaway Inlet, New York. This is a federal navigation channel within the New York district's area of operations. Our district's responsible for maintaining these channels by periodically dredging the sediment that accumulates in the channel and restoring these channels down to their authorized depths to ensure that mariners have safe access through the channel. We're going to remove about approximately 550,000 cubic yards of sediment that have accumulated in the channel. We're going to clear that out, and then what's going to happen is we're going to beneficially use that sand by pumping it further down drift along the shoreline. And what we're looking at right now is a large ocean-going class cutterhead dredge. This is part of Great Lakes Dredge and Dock Company's dredging fleet. It's called the Dredge, Illinois. It's about 300 feet long. It's a very powerful piece of equipment, and it's a big part of ensuring that we're able to remove the sediment that's in the channel by strong pumping action and via the cutter head that pulls up the sediment from the seabed and then pumps it along several thousand feet of pipe. Pipeline that you see behind me here with the bulldozers that are operating, that's split up into different sections, and what that allows the contractor to do is to turn on and off valves and allows them to control with precision the direction and the amount of sand that's being discharged at any given time. So as they're grading the shoreline, they can control the amount of sand that's coming out and where it's going. On behalf of the court, the district, greatly appreciate all the support we've received from elected officials, our agency partners, as well as the maritime community, which has supported us in order to get this needed maintenance dredging done, which is important and necessary for restoring safe navigation through the navigation channel.